it's closed. We cannot go inside.
Hey, what is that?
It said it's not possible to go inside for us. Yeah, this is boats. They are parked here. They are waiting for the trips.
But why do we have bread like that?
Excuse me?
Have a bread like that.
Yes, the chair. If you want to sit during the trip.
But why would it this?
It's to make a turn. If you want to turn around or turn left or turn right, you can use that steering wheel. Yeah, steering wheel.